Let's make it just a video because I don't like really short. Oh my gosh, her hair is so nice. Okay, I'm gonna copy her. Sorry, not sorry. Excuse me. Have you seen my girlfriend? I mean boyfriend? Oh my gosh. Excuse me. Have you seen my boyfriend? Boyfriend? Have you seen my? Okay, I'm gonna start focusing on my game now because I'm gonna lose if I don't focus.